let me get the two tenders
Two tenders.
and two biscuits.
Tender
And
ultimate glaze.
a little bit of glaze, not too, don't over. I just want a light drizzle on it. And some fries on the side there for me.
Fries. Want to put together or separate?
No, put the fries separately. Yeah. Yeah. That's good, that's good. Great, thank you very much. We came out this morning, we got some breakfast at Shaq's Big Chicken. We got two strips, two biscuits, and some fries. And we are in Amber Cove, and we plan on spending the day on the ship again because we've been here like 3 or 4 times this year. Tomorrow we'll be getting off and enjoying the beach at Grand Turk. Here's another shot of the biscuits and the chicken and biscuits. We have a little crab here today. I like this interior actually. I like this room. It's a little different from the other interiors we've been in. It's more like wide. And the mirror and the desk and the TV. I don't think the ones we've stayed in before, they usually have the closet right here next to the bathroom. And this one's just a little different, but I like it. Hello.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'll get you the number ready. 839.
Thank you.
Mr. Juan and Miss Anne.
Yes. Well, we're back at Cucina del Capitano for dinner tonight. Stay tuned.